Excellency Lady Valerie Fubara. Please let's put our hands together to welcome her. As she's able
how the participants are being prepared for the upcoming AGRIC empowerment that is supposed to be going to be holding on the 14th of October. That's next week, Tuesday. And I'm also here to encourage the participants that please, every lecture that is being given to you, take it seriously because it's going to help your business. I want you people to take this very, very important because on Tuesday you'll be empowered and you need the knowledge. Those of you who are into poultry, those of you who are into crops, you'll be taught today how you can take care of your crops, how you can take care of your livestock. So it's very important you take these lecture notes seriously. Thank you, and God bless you. On this note, I'm declaring the workshop open to the glory of God.
To farming that utilizes information and communication technologies to enhance productivity, optimize human labor, reduce costs, increase revenue, and minimize environmental impact. It also means precision agriculture or farming, digital farming, and smart farming. These terms are often being used interchangeably but have a subtle difference in meaning. Smart agriculture is the use of digital technologies like robots, AI, and data to optimize agricultural processes. Smart farming typically involves the integration of ICTC also. Traditional farming methods have struggled to keep pace with the rapidly growing population and increasing food demands. Innovative ideas and tools, as well as smart method of farming, comes in as a game changer. There has been a gradual shift towards building innovation capacity, enhancing use of knowledge, and creating social and economic change. Innovation and smart farming is changing how the farm businesses is done. The action required to create new ideas, processes, or products, which, when implemented, lead to positive and effective change. It may be a brand new, but usually it involves new combination of existing knowledge, that is small, gradual changes in technology, processing, organizational management, etc. Innovation is something new to your business that fills an untapped customer need. Ideally, the innovation builds a new market. And innovation is an idea that has been transformed into practical reality. There are so many tools used for smart farming in Nigeria. Number one is soil and climate sensors. That's what you can use to determine the type of nutrients in the soil and whether the soil can be enough or good for crop farming. We have drones and satellite images, automated, integrated systems, and so on and so forth. Then what are the benefits of this farming, smart farming in Nigeria? We have increased efficiency, enhanced crop yields, resource optimization, data-driven decision-making, improved sustainability of our crops, and so on and so forth. Then the way forward. The way forward for smart agriculture in Nigeria involves integrated technology, climate-smart practices, financial access, and robust policy frameworks, and collaborations to address challenges like limited resources, low mechanization, and the impact of climate change. By adopting AI-driven analysis, smart irrigation, precision farming, and climate-resilient crops, combined with farmer training and accessible financing, Nigeria can improve food security, enhance efficiency, and build a more resilient agricultural sector through smart farming. Key areas for the way forward. We have said AI data should be used so that we can improve our productivity. We have precision agriculture and smart irrigation. In conclusion, this workshop on smart agriculture will enhance crop productivity and improve its sustainability. All this can also take place if government at all levels will be supportive and enforce policies that can lead to improved food security by giving them credits and other training programs that can enhance the awareness of agriculture for increased production. Thank you very much.